Hi, I'm Liz Morrell. I'm the editor of eDelivery and research editor for internet retailing. I'm here with Marcus Uprichard, the sales director for Conveyor Networks. So we recently worked with you on an ebook looking at automation for frictionless growth.
Yes.
So are enough retailers acknowledging this need for automation in their business and the benefits that it can provide?
Yeah, so as part of that ebook, we commissioned a rather large piece of research, which meant we contacted 100 mid-tier retailers, retailers with between 100 and 1,000 employees, fulfilling more than 1,000 orders a day across various sectors. And 85% of those we spoke to believe that automation is going to future-proof their warehouse and drive growth. So I think we can acknowledge that, yes, they are acknowledging automation in the right way. A big driver behind customer expectation is general technological advancements.
Yep.
And 75% of those that we spoke to within that piece of research believe that automation drives sales through improved customer expectations. So I think it's fair to say that automation now has become a must-have within a business, not a nice-to-have like it was maybe yesteryear.
So we spoke to Simon Hayward from Pets at Home today, who is somebody you're working with on automation.
Yes.
And I asked him, how did you know the right time to consider automation? So how should retailers generally nail that right time? How do they know when to automate or start considering it as part of their strategy?
It's a good question. It's a difficult question to answer, I guess. It depends on what part or what part of your life cycle you're in as a retailer. In simple terms, automation begins anywhere north of, let's say, 1,000 orders a day. It's probably around then that you're starting to see greater volumes in your goods receiving area and your dispatch area, and you start to feel some of the pains associated with those increased volumes.
Okay.
So it's probably around 1,000 orders a day for probably the initial implementation of automation, things like handhelds maybe at the put away and pick area, maybe some conveyor solutions, incline conveyor, decline conveyor, spirals, things like that, material flow. What we're seeing quite a lot of at the moment is a vested interest in human resources and the operators, manual, laborious tasks, repetitive strain injuries and things like that. There's definitely been a shift in retailers' interests around protecting their operators in the warehouse. So yeah, as I say, you start to see it north of 1,000 orders a day. Okay.
And what's your biggest tip for somebody considering an automation project? And we talked with Simon about the importance of engaging the staff and so on with it as well. But what are the kind of things that you really need to consider?
First consideration for me would be to find yourself a system integrator.
Yep.
I guess I would say that, being a system integrator. Well done me. I suppose the reason I say that first and foremost is because a good system integrator can collaborate with the retailer, and they can collaboratively analyse where the retailer is at that given time.
Okay.
And when I say analysis, I'm talking about product dimensions, I'm talking about order throughputs, space, staff costs, cost per order, all these types of things. And then the retailer's able to challenge that system integrator to go away and arrive at a concept, an impartial, honest concept that's right for the retailer at that given time.
Okay.
And right for the future as well.
Okay. All right, lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.